Will Rogers, larger than life. Whoop! Will Rogers lassoed his older sisters again. "Ma!" Mary yelled. "Make him stop!" Will's ma shook her finger at him. "Put that diaper back on and stop lassoing every varmint that isn't nailed down." Will nodded, slapped his diaper back on, and sucked his thumb. He wanted to be good, but darn it all, he really did like to rope things. By the time Will was 3, he could rope every steer on the ranch with one throw of his lasso, sling the whole passel of them over his back, and fling them into the corral. The cattle were getting mighty bruised from all that roping and flinging, so when Will was 5, he was sent to school. He set off for town with a pencil in one pocket and his lasso in the other. Will learned his ABCs, but during recess, he roped every kid in the school, half the teachers, and even the principal's horse. Will's rope scared that horse so it took off and dragged him halfway across Indian territory. By the time the horse stopped, Will had plowed up 300 acres of prime farmland with his feet. That principal was whopping mad when he saw his horse sweating something fierce. "You get," he told Will, "and don't come back until you lose that lasso."
We're going to pause here, and on the next slide you're going to answer 1. What are 3 personality traits to describe Will? So you're telling me about what kind of person he is. Is he kind? Is he brave? Things like that. You're going to give me 3. And then on the following slide, you're going to tell me, why is everyone so upset with Will? What is their issue with him?